Hi friends, welcome to Dhatchu's kitchen. Today in our kitchen we are going to make a mind refreshing masala tea. If you like tea very much, you will definitely like this video too. Let's get started. To make a 3 to 4 cups of tea, this much of ingredients is enough. First we need to crush it, so that I am going to add a small pieces of cinnamon and 4 clove to cardamom. Just crush it. That's all. Now we need to add 1 inch of ginger. Crush all together. Now our crushed spices are ready. Switch on the stove and place one saucepan with 1.5 tumblers of water. Into this I am going to add our crushed spices and 3 teaspoons of tea powder. Mix it well and let it be boiled for 2 minutes. It's boiled for 2 minutes. Now we can add 2 tumblers of milk. Once it comes to boiling point, slow the flame and let it be boiled for 2 minutes. Now we are getting awesome smell. Our masala tea is almost ready. Into this I am going to add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Mix it once. Set the flame high. Once it comes to final boiling point, switch off the stove and strain the tea. Now our hot and tasty masala tea is ready to serve. Its fragrance will definitely lift our mood. It's a good immunity booster and it relieves from headache. Do try this recipe at your home and enjoy with your family. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Dhatchu's Kitchen. I will meet you in my next video with an interesting recipe. Until then, thank you. Bye bye.